Hello. So now we're going to do this uh, slightly more complicated example. Okay. Let's look at it together. It is open parentheses 5 minus open parentheses 2 squared minus 3 close parentheses squared plus 4. So the first question we need to do is we need to ask, how do we even get started, right? And what we do is we look at our order of operations, our PEMDAS, and we ask, are there any parentheses? And in fact, we do have parentheses. First, we have this parenthesis here. 5 minus, we have this parenthesis, which has this expression on the inside, which is 5 minus open parentheses 2 squared minus 3, close parentheses. Now, what I want, what the one of the main reasons why I put in this example is that the order of operations apply starting from 0 when you go inside a parentheses. So, for example, um, and of course, and that's what I want you to see in this example. So what I mean is, if you notice, once I'm inside of this expression, inside of this first parentheses, I start again from the top. Do I have any parentheses that I can simplify? Yes, in fact, I have this one inside. And now I'm inside this parentheses, and I ask myself, okay, do I have any parentheses in here in this second parenthesis? No. So now I can start going down the list of the PEMDAS, if you want to think about it that way. And you can see that in this interior parentheses, I have an exponent. So that's the first thing that's going to simplify in this whole expression. By the way, I know this is going to be kind of like long and stuff, but I want you guys to see this full thought process. 2 squared is 4, right? Because 2 times 2 is 4. I want you to see this whole thought process so that if you were faced with an expression that is this complicated or more complicated, you can see how to apply the order of operations in a case like this. So now we're in this situation. We have carried out this exponent inside of the interior parentheses. So now we ask ourselves, again, we go to the top, are there any parentheses? And we see that there are. We have the 5 minus open parentheses, 4 minus 3, close parentheses, close parentheses. So we're going to perform this interior parentheses now in the next step. Notice how what's happening is we're going as far deep into the parentheses as possible and then simplifying on our way out. Okay? And so here, 4 minus 3, that's 1. So this becomes 5 minus 1 squared plus 4. Because 4 minus 3 is 1. And 5 minus open parentheses, 1 close parentheses would just be 5 minus 1. Then here you can see this parenthesis is now very doable. 5 minus 1 is just 4, so we end up with 4 squared plus 4. Here we can see, are there any parentheses left? No. Are there any exponents? Yes. There's that square there. 4 squared is 16. We bring on the plus 4, and we know that 16 plus 4 is 20. And that's how we're able to do this expression. Okay, and well, in any case, I hope you have enjoyed this example, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you so much.